Hello friends, welcome to Yoga Rainbow. Let's stretch, breathe and have fun together. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Mountain pose, standing tall beneath the sky, breathing slow as clouds drift by, rooted deep and feeling free, flowing with serenity. Prayer pose, hands together, heart at peace, let the noise of life now cease, gentle focus, calm and bright, guided by an inner light. Raised arms pose, reach above and touch the air, open heart without a care, stretching upward, spirit high, floating softly toward the sky. Forward bend, fold and soften, let things go, feel a gentle river flow, breathing deeply, calm and slow, let your peaceful spirit grow. Half forward fold, bending gently through the spine, feel your body realign, steady breathing, soft and free, moving. Plank pose, strong and steady, hold your ground, feel your inner power found, core engaged and spirit bright, shining with determined light. Chaturanga, lower slowly, smooth and strong, moving gently all along, balanced breathing, calm control, strength and grace within your soul. Cobra pose, lift your heart into the sun, feel new energy begun, open wide and breathe anew, peaceful strength is flowing through. Downward dog, stretch and lengthen, calm and free, flowing high, the endless sea, breathing softly, feeling light, everything will be alright. Child's pose, rest your body, rest your mind, leave your worries far behind, quiet stillness, calm and deep, a peaceful promise you can keep. Cat pose, around your back and gently release, breathing slowly, finding peace, softly moving with the flow, let your inner calmness grow. Cow pose, lift your heart and raise your eyes, feel your spirit gently rise, open wide and breathe so free, flowing with serenity. Tabletop pose, strong foundation, calm and still, balanced body, focused will, steady breath and mindful grace, centered in this peaceful space. Thread the needle, twist and reach, release the strain, let go gently of all pain, shoulders soften, tension flies, peace and comfort slowly rise. Puppy pose, stretching forward, heart so light, breathing softly, feeling bright, lengthen gently, calm and slow, feel your flexibility grow. Low lunge, step ahead with strength and grace, confidence at every place, open hips and stand up tall, trust yourself and give your all. Crescent lunge, reach above into the sky, lift your spirit, rise up
extended side angle pose. Reach and lengthen side to side. Feel the strength you hold inside, breathing deeply, calm and free, flowing with serenity. Triangle pose. Open, gently stretch and grow. Feel the peaceful energy flow. Balanced body, focused mind, a deeper sense of peace. Moon pose. Lift and balance, strong and light, shining softly, calm and bright. Steady breath and graceful way, moving through this mindful day. Tree pose. Rooted firmly like a tree, standing tall and wild and free. Gentle focus, calm and still, balanced body, steady will. Eagle pose. Wrap and hold with mindful grace. Find your center, find your place. Focus, breathing clear and strong, flowing gently all along. Chair pose. Sit back slowly, strong and tall. Trust your strength, embrace it all. Breathing deeply, standing true, feel the power inside you. Breathing deep. Standing split, lift and stretch toward the sky. Watch your confidence rise high. Grace and balance, hand in hand, strong and steady as you stand. Dancer pose. Move with beauty, light and free. Dance with strength and harmony. Open heart and gentle soul, flowing toward a peaceful goal. Wide leg forward fold. Fold and soft and let it go. Feel a calming river flow. Relax deeply, breathe with ease, floating gently like the breeze. Boat pose. Floating gently, strong and free. Power growing deep in me. Steady balance, core so bright, guided by my inner light. Bridge pose. Lift the heart and rise above. Open gently into love. Breathing deeply, calm and slow, feel your energy softly flow. Easy pose. Quiet stillness, peaceful mind. Leave the noise of life behind. Gentle breathing, calm and free, resting in serenity. Lotus pose. Sacred silence fills the air. Peace and wisdom everywhere. Heart and spirit unified, in this moment I reside. Bow pose. Open wide and shine your light. Heart awakened, spirit bright. Stretching gently, bold and true. Finding strength in all you do. Camel pose. Open softly through the chest. Trust the journey, do your best. Breathing deeply, calm and clear. Feel your inner power near. Open wide, seated forward bend. Fold in peace and let things go. Feel a gentle river flow. Quiet moments, calm and deep. Treasures of the soul to keep. Bound angle pose. Sit with grace and breathe with ease. Moving gently like the breeze. Open softly, calm and slow. Let your peaceful spirit grow. Staff pose. Sitting tall and standing strong. Balanced body all day long. Focused mind and steady breath. Welcome spirit unified. In this moment I reside. Firelock pose, open gently, soft and slow. Feel your inner balance grow, breathing deeply, calm and free, resting in tranquility. Cow face pose, stretch and soften, breathe with grace, finding peace in this still space. Gentle movement, heart so light, guided by a calming light. Breathe deep and slow. Fish pose, lift your heart toward the sky. Let your spirit gently fly. Open wide and breathe anew. Feel the peaceful energy through. Shoulder stand, strong and steady, calm and tall. Trust yourself and give your all. Balanced breathing, clear and bright, filled with strength and inner light. Low pose, stretching softly, calm and deep. Promises of peace to keep. Gentle breathing, quiet flow. Let your inner wisdom grow. Breathe deep and slow. Happy baby pose, smile and soft and free your soul. Finding joy that makes you whole. Breathing lightly, feeling bright, wrapped in comfort and delight. Supine twist, twist and release, let tension go. Move with grace and steady flow. Calm and peaceful, soft and free, resting in serenity. Let attention thrive. Close your eyes.